Arsonist, baby. Low Tribe. Got a new album coming out called All Gas, No Gimmicks. I'm finna give y'all a little verse off of one of the songs on that shit. Let me know what you think. Yo. You can take away everything that I got, I'm still here, keeping my head up, even if I'm in the wheelchair. Life will never feel fair, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Look out for people that jealous and wanna battle you. How do you? Just relax and accept it, knowing everybody around you is affected. Leave the voice out of your head, feeling neglected. Quit it to disease, it's easy to be infected. Bless this life that we lead, cause there's people in the world that gotta fight to breathe. I might just be another sight to see to the likes of you, but it's alright with me, cause I ain't never changing. I'ma keep on blazing these tracks to the max, cause it sounds amazing. The world's mine for the taking. Anybody try to take it, I'll go bad on your body like a bucket of bacon. I'm not gonna take it, that's not my personality. You bringing out the warm, taking it to you. You can handle me, I'm hotter than a canopy, setting flame to a canopy. How can it be anything other than a walking fantasy? I'm damaging everything. What you think of it to give up? Put you in the dirt and make it hard for you to get up. When I spit it, people sit up and listen to my deliver, cause I've never been a quitter. That's why I be making hitters. Come get us. If you thinking you can take it, I'm taking the haters' face and I'm breaking it on the pavement. Then I'm shaking them to the pavement, but I never miss a payment on your face. Where I maybe get a swing like some caveman. Amen. By the grace of God, I remain standing tall and against all odds. I brush off the fakers, I dust off the frauds. Give my heart to my family and a hand to my dogs. Low Tribe, baby. Arsonist, all gas, no gimmicks, coming soon.